Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a question based on arithmetic mean and geometric mean. The question is, if the arithmetic mean of two positive numbers a and b is twice geometric mean, then a is to b will be dash. These are the options given. So let's find out the answer. So let's take the given two numbers as a and b. Let the numbers be a and b. And we know that the arithmetic mean of two positive numbers a and b can be written as am is equal to a plus b by 2, and the geometric mean gm is equal to square root of ab. And it is given in the question that am is twice the geometric mean, that is 2 times the geometric mean. Therefore, we can write am, that is a plus b by 2, is equal to 2 times geometric mean, that is 2 into square root of ab. Now simplify this equation and find out a and b. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 2 will goes here, 4 times square root of ab. Now to remove the square root, we can square this equation. A plus b square is equal to 16ab. Now expand this a plus b square. That is, a plus b square means a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 16ab. That is, the 16ab can be taken here to the LHS. Therefore, we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 16ab means minus 14ab is equal to 0. And now we can split this minus 14ab. That is, we can write this as a square plus b square minus 14 means minus 2 minus 12. So minus 2ab minus 12ab is equal to 0. Therefore, first 3 terms means, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab means it is a minus b whole square. So instead of that, we can write it as a minus b whole square minus 12ab is equal to 0. Or we can write the same equation as a minus b whole square equal to 12ab. Now mark this a plus b whole square as equation number 1 and this equation a minus b whole square as equation number 2. Now solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2 and find out a and b. That is, equation number 1 divided by equation number 2 is equal to a plus b square divided by a minus b whole square. That is equal to 16ab divided by 12ab. Cancel this ab and ab here. 16 and 12 both are divisible by 4. Here it is 4 times, here 3 times, equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, a plus b by a minus b is equal to, take the square root here, that is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Now we got a plus b and a minus b. Now using complemento dividendo rule, we can find out a and b. Using complemento dividendo rule, that is, for all the fractions of this type, if sum of the terms and difference of the terms is given in a ratio, we can find out the values of the a and b using this complemento dividendo rule. This rule is very simple. If a by b is equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. That is, a plus b plus a minus b whole divided by a plus b minus a plus b is equal to 2 plus root 3 whole divided by 2 minus root 3. Add the terms and subtract the terms. Now simplify this. B and minus b cancelled, a and minus a cancelled. A plus a means it is 2a divided by b plus b is 2b. That is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Again 2 and 2 cancelled. A, therefore we can write a by b is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Or we can write a is to b is equal to 2 plus root 3 is to 2 minus root 3. So this will be the ratio of the two numbers a and b. Therefore, from the given options, option number A will be the correct answer.